It is estimated more than 40% of adults have vitamin D deficiency. Even in the countries like India, we have 40% people having vitamin D deficiency. How can you prevent from having vitamin D deficiency? Well, that's what this video is about. What is up you guys, this is Khurram. In this video you will see why you have vitamin D deficiency, why you can get vitamin D deficiency, its importance, its symptoms, and stay tuned till the end. We will see some helpful tips to overcome the vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D have many functions that includes keeping bones strong, absorbing calcium, and instructing your guts to absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are important for healthy bones. Some side effects of vitamin D deficiency are heart diseases, diabetes, blood pressure, infections, and immune system disorder. Lack of vitamin D is not quite obvious in adults. Its symptoms may include bone pain, fatigue, muscle pain or muscle cramps, or mood change like depression. So now the question is, how much vitamin D do you need? Here is the table of recommended vitamin D per day according to your age. Recommended value for infants till age 1 year requires 10 mcg, that is 400 international units, and from 1 to 70 years of age 15 mcg, which is 600 international unit, and after 70 years it is recommended to have 20 mcg, that is 800 international unit. You now know how much is required. Now let's learn where you could get it. The sun is your best source of vitamin D. That's the reason vitamin D is also called as sunshine vitamin. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it makes vitamin D from cholesterol. Being exposed to the sun for about 20 minutes and 3 days per week is usually more than sufficient. But the people who live in countries away from equator such as Northern America and Canada, they rarely get sunshine in winter season. So they can take vitamin D from the next best source, that is diet. Vitamin D doesn't occur naturally in many foods. That's the reason you see there are certain foods that have added vitamin D in it. Here's the list of various foods that contain vitamin D. Vitamin D is naturally present in some seafood, eggs, beef liver, and cheese. All other that have vitamin D in the list are fortified. Fortified food is food that has extra nutrients added to it. Like milk is fortified with vitamin D. The last and the straightforward way to get vitamin D is from taking supplements. But even if you are sure about the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, you should always consult your doctor before taking any supplements. While overdose of vitamin D is rare, but it can happen. So take care of your intake. Thank you very much. Winter already started, so it's cold out there, and the future videos are going to be here, and I hope you guys will like it. See you in the next video.